Holley's iNTECH cold air intakes not only increase horsepower and torque, the large high-flow air filters are washable and reusable. When dirt collects on your filter element, performance is diminished. This is the time to clean your air filter element. Holley's iNTECH Washable Air Filter Cleaner restores the performance of your filter's element and brings it back to like-new condition. It is especially formulated to clean dirt and grime from your iNTECH synthetic air filter. It comes in a convenient 32-ounce spray bottle for multiple cleanings. We recommend you inspect your filter element every 6 months or more if you drive in dry, dusty conditions. Cleaning your air filter element is easy. Remove the air filter from the housing and intake tube. Gently shake and tap the filter to remove all the excess debris and dirt particles. Spray a generous amount of cleaner directly onto each side of the air filter, applying more to heavily soiled areas. Allow the cleaner to soak for 10 minutes. Do not allow to dry. Always use cool to warm temperature water. Hot water is not recommended. Rinse the filter from the clean side through to the dirty side. Light water pressure helps cleaning the filter. Reapplication of the iNTECH cleaner may be necessary until the water flowing through the media is clear of dirt. Do a final rinse and shake excess water from the air filter and allow to air dry. You may use compressed air to speed this process, holding the nozzle 12 inches from the filter surface. Remember, iNTECH air filters do not use oil. Simply let the air filter air dry and reinstall. Reinstall by reversing the removal process. Proper cleaning ensures proper airflow and performance. Make sure to use the right cleaner the next time you need to service your iNTECH air filter. Thanks for watching. To find out more about iNTECH cold air intakes, visit our website at holley.com.